We are in a historical place. In this place, there are relics remaining from 700 years ago. Let's go together to see what events happened here 700 years ago. The first thing we encounter is the statue of Khajovi Kermani. It's better to go up and see what's up there. This poet, born in the city of Kerman, is buried here in the heart of the mountain. This place is near the Quran Gate, the famous and historical gate of Shiraz. I've explained about this gate in a separate video. I suggest that if you are interested in historical places, you watch that video. This is the burial place of that poet who composed verses of advice and admonition, as well as verses praising the king of his time. This poet had many travels to places such as Azerbaijan, Egypt, and also Iraq. Next to Khajovi Kermani tomb, I came across a historical cave with a sign above it saying, "Open to the public, but closed with a metal barrier for entry." Let's go and see what's going on. There is a smell of wood here. It seems that an artist writes beautiful poems and saying on wooden boards and beautiful calligraphy and puts them up for sale. On the other side, there is a shop selling Iranian handicrafts, but unfortunately I'm not allowed to film there. I managed to capture a part of the shop where they sell fragrant woods. All of them are handmade and come in various scents, including cinnamon, different kind of flowers, coffee, fruits like mango, lemon, and others. These woods are burned to fill the surrounding space with fragrance. Some people use them during yoga session. Burning woods is believed to dispel negative energy and stress while inducing relaxation. A bit further, I came across a very old mill. The smell used to be active when the water from the Ruknabad spring passed through here. Now it has been reconstructed. Near the male on a tree, this verse is beautifully written in Persian calligraphy. رواق منظر چشم من آشیانه توست. This art of calligraphy is lightly done by the talented cave dweller. This verse is one of the famous poems of Hafiz Shirazi, the renowned poet of the 8th century. This poet was influenced by Khajovi Kermani. In this verse, Hafiz tells his beloved, "You have a place on the surface of my eye." In Iranian culture, this signifies the utmost respect for someone. I created a separate video about Hafiz and his tomb, which I recommend you watch. We ascend the stone stairs and reach a breathtaking area above. Two stone inscription, an odd cave, and a tomb are visible. Initially, we observe the top part of the compound. This is where the upper section of the ancient mill is located. Take a look inside. It's no longer functional. Next to this mill, there is a stone room, but it's closed, with only its window visible. We arrive at the peculiar cave, outside of which is tomb belonging to Khaja Emaduddin Mahmud, the minister of the time. However, this art cave used to be a place of worship for Sufis, where Khajovi Kermani and his disciples used to worship. Sufis would engage in Chelneshini here. During the 40 days retreat, they would devote themselves to the worship of God, away from worldly possession and attachment, observing fast or consuming animal food. Also a statue of a stone lion. In the past, stone lions symbolized permanence and courage, and they were often placed atop the graves of nobles. Beside this cave, you will see a prominent relief depicting Rustam and a lion. Rustam is a legendary hero of Iran. This relief was carved approximately 250 years ago by the order of the governor of Fars province. Here you can also see an incomplete relief of Fateh Ali Shah Qajar and his sons, a line with two columns building the style of the Zand period. There is an artificial waterfall constructed to enhance the beauty of this place further. This is the Grand Hotel Shiraz, which accommodates tourists